Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome to Magical Droplets by Chital Shah. Today's pick a card reading is to receive yes or no guidance using tarot cards. This is a single card reading, so it would be very quick and very precise. So, if you are interested in this type of reading, please stay tuned. Before we begin with the reading, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And returning subscribers, I am really thankful to you for staying attuned with us. Please click the bell icon to receive notifications about the videos that we update. So before I begin with the reading, let me help you select with the cards. Today we have 12 cards with us to help us know yes or no for your specific questions. So this is card number 1, card number 2, card number 3, card number 4, card number 5, card number 6, card number 7, card number 8, card number 9, card number 10, card number 11, and card number 12. You can select a card based on the picture to which you are very drawn to or with the number that you are attracted to. I would suggest you all to select a single card for any particular question that you have in mind right now. And if you are guided to, you can select multiple cards and then based on the majority answers you can decide whether it is a yes or a no. So without any further ado, let's begin with the reading. All those who have selected card number 1, let's see what the angels have in store for you. Whether it is a yes or a no. Justice. So all those who have selected card number 1, this card over here tells you that if you have done good acts and if the question that you are inquiring about is for the highest good of all the parties involved, be assured that it is a yes. But if there is some sort of mischief in your question, or if it is not for the highest good of all the parties involved and just for your highest good, then I don't think it is a yes. I feel then it would be a no. So maybe it would be better if you can select another card and know whether it is a yes or a no, only if you are guided to. So all those who have selected card number 2, let's see. Nine of Pentacles. So all those who have selected card number 2, definitely it is a yes. The fruits and the rewards of your hard work and labor is being given to you right now, and you are going to be going in a place of love, respect, and abundance. Also, if this card is with regards to any specific event, I feel that event would be successful, and if it is in regards with a particular person, I feel this card would be, this person denotes that person, and so that person would be a very happy, lucky go person and would really help you move forward in your life. Thank you. All those who have selected card number 3, let's see what your answer is. 5 of Wands. So with this card, angels and the divine realm is guiding that be very cautious, as the question that you are inquiring about is not for your highest good and it won't happen, so it is a no. However, you need to be very cautious that apart from this, other things are not affected because of this question or this situation that you are inquiring about right now. Thank you. All those who have selected card number 4, let's see what your answer is. 8 of Pentacles. So all those who have selected card 4, the angels ask you to continue working harder on whatever it is that you are inquiring about, because definitely it is going to come true and it is going to be a yes, but it requires a little more amount of work than what you are putting in right now. So if you are doing X amount of work, try to do and work much harder so that you are able to reap the rewards of your hard work and see it sooner rather than later. Thank you. All those who have selected card number 5, we have the devil card. So again, this card is a no. With this card, the angels are telling that though you might feel that the question that you are inquiring about or the person you are inquiring about is the right person or the right situation is happening right now, but it is just the outside picture that you are looking at. You are not going in detail of the situation. You are not looking in depth. You are not looking inside the whole situation, and there is some important piece of advice and information that is hidden right now. So with the devil card, the angels are asking you to please go deeper into your question and then decide. Definitely right now the answer is no. There is some hidden information which is not visible to you right now and which is not for your highest good. With the next card, card number 6, let's see what the angels have in store for you. Two of Wands. So all those who have selected card number 6, the angels and the divine realm are telling that the situation or the person or whatever is your question right now requires more information. Whatever question you are asking is not clear right now, and also it requires you to look beyond the question into other diameters that are affecting the question or the situation that you are inquiring right now. So it is not a yes, it is not a no, but it is asking you to collect more information to help you guide to take the correct path. Pile number 6. So all those who have selected card number 7, let's see. Page of Cups. So all those who have selected card number 7, the angels are telling that yes, the situation, your question would have a positive impact on your life. It is going to bring you peace, joy, happiness, and it is going to bless you with good luck. Be free, keep your worries aside and just concentrate on what you are doing. Don't let your emotions take a toll on the practical aspects of your work. Continue on your path because it is a yes, and emotions can really bring you down. So all those who have selected pile number 8, let's see what the angels have in store for you. The Tower. Okay, so all those who have selected pile number 8, the answer to your question is a no, but I want you all to know that though right now you feel that it is a no and it is going to cause you lots of troubles and anxiety, stress, but eventually after a month's time from the time you see the reading, things are going to start getting better and better in your favor. Right now you might feel devastated or you might not feel happy receiving a no, but know that it is for your highest good and things will eventually get better. There is nothing to worry about and there is no need to think that it is not getting better and your life or the situation is getting out of control. Right now it may seem so, but it is not like that. The situation is improving over a period of time. Pile number 8. All those who have selected card number 9, we have got the Chariot card for you, pile number 9. So with the Chariot card, I feel it is a yes, and also with the Chariot card over here, I feel you have to make a choice between two things, and there is a possibility that you can select A or B option, but the divine realm is telling you to select something that is closer to your heart, closer to what you love, because if you choose something from your heart, you are going to be successful in that venture and in that situation. So for your answer is definitely a yes, but select something that is closer to your heart, because that is going to be something that you will enjoy over a longer period of time. Thank you, pile number 9. So the next card we have for pile card number 10 is Ace of Wands. Wow. So all those who have selected card number 10, this is definitely a yes. And with this card, the angels are blessing you with lots of new energies, new opportunities, and new visions for your future. Know that whatever it is that you are inquiring about is really good, and it is for your highest good, and you should definitely go ahead with the thing that you are inquiring about, because it is going to bring you lots of blessings along the way. Also with this card, the angels are telling you that you have the support of the angels and the divine, and so there is no need to worry about anything. Pile number 10. So please go ahead, it is definitely a yes for you, all those who have selected card number 10. So the next card we have for people who have selected card number 11 is Page of Pentacles. So with the Page of Pentacles card over here, I feel the answer to this question is work harder, and eventually the situation is a yes. If there is some person that you are inquiring about, or if it is relating to a work environment, please do your research and please continue working harder on it, because if you feel that okay, the answer is a yes and I should now relax, then it would turn out to be a no in the future. With your continuous efforts and your work, you will get the required results. I feel majority of the people who have selected card number 11 are inquiring about their work and their finances. So I feel definitely money is coming to all those people who have selected card number 11. But you need to continue hard. Don't just daydream about money and about the situation improving. Put your efforts as well. Thank you. And finally, the last card for the yes and no card reading is card number 12. So let's see what it is. Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Those who have selected card number 12, it is definitely a yes. If the situation that you are inquiring about is about work, money, business, finances, career, know that things and situations are getting better and they are improving for your highest good. If you are inquiring about a person or situation, whether that person will come forward, then definitely it is a yes. If you are asking about a commitment, it is a yes. If at all you are asking whether you need to do some more research, then I feel it is high time you stop procrastinating and start working on the projects, because you have all the resources in your hand and you have collected all the required information at this point of time, and waiting for more information or more things will take you back and will just lead to more procrastination and take you a step behind than where you are right now. So you should proceed with the project and the work situation immediately. All those who have selected card number 12. I hope you all resonated with the reading. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media accounts. Thank you. Bye.